What's up, Qui Ken gang? I'm back with another hair video. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I gotta get these videos out. So today I'm working with this company called BLY. I'm looking at the box, I'm sorry. It's called Beautiful in Love and Youth, BLY. Sorry I broke the box when I was trying to open it. In the box you get a wig cap and you just get how to manage the hair. And I do have a 20-inch lace frontal wig. Y'all love me some straight hair. So I'm about to install her. This is what the lace looking like. It's pretty big. It looks like it's transparent a little bit. Y'all, if you did. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, make sure y'all click that description box below for more details. And let's get into this video. don't know what grade this is. I'm just like being so freaking for real. Like, this hair is so freaking good, y'all. I'm not even lying. Like, I'm just running my fingers right through it, not getting no shedding. Like, I barely had to straighten this hair out because it's already silky. Like, yeah. And this hair is from BLY, Pretty Love You. Y'all finna wear this hair basically all week, so all the other hair comes gonna have to wait because y'all, I'm not even lying. Then I feel like I did so good installing it, y'all. By me just getting hair every single day, I just feel like I'm learning and I'm improving. So shout out to me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, get into the edges. Like, boo, what lace though, y'all? Find the lace. When you find it, comment down below. Okay? Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's not too long, it's just right. Oh my god. But make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next video with my BLY hair on. Because y'all know what, hit that description box below and get this hair, and I'll see y'all next video.